In this video we're going to show the user how to use the functionality of Export to Word template within GradeVision. I'm going to begin by showing a Word document that I've created. As you can see, it's got a header and it's got a footer, and at the top we've got the today's date and the name of the report, and then if you notice forename and surname are in curly brackets there, as is reg group, as is attendance, and it's got registration group at front of reg group there and yearly attendance percentage as of today at front of that. Then it's got a brief body of text to explain the table, and then as you notice the table here that the subject, target grade, current grade and predicted grade are in square brackets because they're going to repeat because the student will have studied more than one subject. So anything that's not going to be repeated in the report you put in curly brackets here, and things that are going to be repeated you put in square brackets there. They're just column headings, so they've got no brackets on them. And you save that as an ordinary Word document on a folder of your choice. This is just on my desktop. And then I'm going to go on to the toolkit. And I'm going to open a report that I've already built to show you how to do this. Right, this report, it's just been filtered by one student there, filtered by UPM. We do recommend that when you're doing this, that you just do it for one student to start with to test that the report's working okay, and then you can run it and it'll do one at a time. So it's got the headings that I need in my Word document there. It's got forename, surname, reg group, it's got attendance, it's got subject, and those three columns there. It's very exact, so it has to be an exact match. I've colour coded the last column to show where predicted grade is more or less or the same as target grade. So that's all in the right order there. The subjects are in alphabetical order. So now I go into File, Export to Word template. And I found the template, the Word document that I've just showed you, which is that one there. And then I put it in a folder, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop in this instance. And I'm going to click OK. It says background export started. And just a couple of seconds later, it'll say it's successful. Now if we just minimize that down and go back to my desktop, it puts them in order like that. So it's showing the UPN of the student and the name of the report, and it's populated it there. Jess Allen, registration group, yearly attendance, the date is all the same, and then it's put everything in order. So that's how you do it for one student. If you want to continue to do it for several students, you would just remove that UPN, run the report, and then follow exactly the same procedure. You may want to put it into a folder named Year 11 Autumn Reports, and they'll run one by one. You will get a message box that's popping up saying export completed every time it does some reports, so just be aware of that. So that's how you use GradeVision to export to Word template for individual student reports. Thank you.